Hey guys, my name is Enoch Sophia and welcome to my YouTube channel once more. Please, if this is your first time here, do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make the famous Google logo using Adobe Illustrator. So guys, we're just going to dive into making this logo, and first thing first, I'm going to turn on my grid. All you need to do is right click on your mouse and click on show grid. Yeah, there you go. The next thing I'll do is, I think this is too wide, so I just need to make it smaller. Yeah, there you go. Remove feelings and we just clip max this. Make it smaller. Okay. So for us to get the exact size of this logo, what we can do is put this here and click on our shape tool, and then click on ellipse tool. So what you want to do is go over it and make sure your hands is on shift so you can get a perfect circle. Place your hands on shift as you do this. Give it an outline so you know what you're working with. Let's give this black so it's very well. Yeah. You could adjust this, put your hands on shift as well, and use your mouse to drag. I'm using. So we have our outer circle. Adjust this a little. Put your hands on shift too, so I get to, yeah, amazing. I think prefer this way. Nice. Okay, we have our outer circle. And what we need to do next is, I'll just increase this one now. I like seeing my lines very well. 2, go back to our ellipse tool, and then you get another circle while putting your hand